Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and I've got Latest in Beauty. This is the July box. Latest in Beauty is a little bit different to other subscriptions in that you get to choose the products that go inside the box. If you are new to the subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. But there are some changes coming, so if you are a regular to Latest in Beauty and you don't know anything about these changes, then carry on watching and I will go into it. Latest in Beauty is a UK only monthly beauty subscription box and you get to choose 6 products that go inside the box. At the start of every month they release a brand new edit, so you get to see all the products that will be dropping week by week throughout the month. Previously a weekly drop used to drop on the Monday, now they're changing it to a Friday, and all subscriptions will start on the 1st of the month. Previously, if you subscribe, say, on the 4th of the month or on the 20th of the month, then your monthly subscription will carry on from the date you started. So your next payment will be the 20th or the 4th, etc. But from the 1st of August onwards, when these new changes are coming into effect, all subscriptions will start on the 1st of the month and payment will be taken on the 1st of the month. There is a big blog post about all the changes. I'll pop that down in my description, as well as links to the subscription and the limited edition boxes. So if you want to learn a little bit more, then you're welcome to take a look down there. The cost of the box from now until the end of the month is £12.95 and then £3.95 shipping on top. But on the 1st of August onwards, new subscribers will have to pay £14.95 and then £3.95 shipping on top. So it's gone up a couple of pounds. If you subscribe for 3 months or more, you become a Latest in Beauty Pro, which will entitle you to receive your monthly box without the shipping fees. And if you continue with your subscription, it will stay at £12.95 after the 1st of next month. So the new changes won't affect you unless you decide to cancel and resubscribe at a later date. So bottom line, if you are already a subscriber, then the only changes to the subscription would be the cost of one-off boxes, which are now £14.95 and shipping, and instead of a Monday drop, there's a Friday drop of all the products. As well as all the new products coming onto the website every single month, they do leave past products on there as well. So you've got a huge list of products to look through. But yeah, so let's get on to showing you what I chose in this month's box. This box was kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and I tend to dip in and out of the subscription. Depends on what's on offer on their website. As with most boxes, some months are better than others, but also if I have time to unbox it on my channel. That's what it looks like. Giving you a sneak peek. They've given me a freebie. There is 7 products in the box and I've just had a quick look now and I can't think what it could be. I'm assuming it's this. Maybe. Amy Naturally Kind Glow and Bright Illuminating Moisturiser. Instant and 24-hour hydration, brightens and smooths. And yeah, it's 96% natural and there's 15 mils there. Maybe that was my freebie, although it does sound nice and it does sound a product that I would actually choose. I don't know, but there is some information about the brand here and the different products. If you've had a Latest in Beauty box this month, did you receive this as a freebie? I don't think it's any of the other products. I think I've chosen them. Anyway, next I chose a eyeshadow palette. This is by Wet n Wild and this is Nude Awakening. There's lots of different Wet n Wild products on their website. I first tried the makeup a couple of years ago when I started YouTube and I was really, really impressed with the eyeshadows. Really impressed, and I got a few little palettes then. But as well as eyeshadow palettes, there's lipsticks, I believe, and I think that's about it. Really nice colours, really nice rich colours there. Love that one, the wine. Okay. Really gorgeous shades. Oh, I am loving that one. It's beautiful. So yeah, Wet n Wild collection, £10 palette. And I got it in Nude Awakening. Next I went for, what looks like an absolutely gorgeous hair mask. Oh, it's just because it's see-through packaging and I just want to squelch it. This is by Biolage Advance. Fibre Strong Pack, Bamboo Extract, Deep Treatment for Fragile Hair, and there's 100 mils here, and I think there's another one there as well for dry hair possibly. So I thought that looks quite nice, sounds quite nice. So give that a go in my hair. Next up, we've got Urban Veda. This is Neem and Botanics Purifying Exfoliating Facial Polish. It says Ayurvedic neem infused with bioactive botanicals of wild mint, eucalyptus and witch hazel to help normalise oily congested skin. Pore refining, deep cleansing for oil prone skin. And there's 125 mils there. I've tried a few products from Urban Veda before, many of them from Holland & Barrett, which stock the brand. And really, really nice products, really nice. And I thought this might be a nice product to put in our shower downstairs for us all to use. Mainly my children. My children have got oily T-zones. I'm on medication to control acne, but unfortunately they are sort of following after me. Not as bad as me though, I have to say. The youngest two are teens and my skin was a lot worse than theirs back when I was younger, so hopefully they're not going to follow after me. But I just thought that might be really nice for them to use, as it's quite a natural product, but I'll have to see how abrasive it is. Got cream there. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I wouldn't use that all over my skin, not my cheeks. I would use it more T-zone then, you know, really rubbing it into my nose. If I were to use it, I think it'll be a little bit too harsh for my cheeks. Oh, it just smells amazing. I can smell the mint and the eucalyptus. Oh, that's beautiful. So there's that. Then I went for some fake lashes. I always wear fake lashes. These are by the Eyelash Emporium Pro. And this is Dramatic Thank You Next Professional 3D Strip Lashes in faux mink. They're vegan, 20 wears. And yeah, I think there was 2 or 3 different designs you could go for. These are huge. They are huge. They're not normally what I go for. But they are so pretty. And as always, I'll be trimming them down. So I'll probably trim them to about there to make them 3/4. Or because they're quite thick, I might taper it. Just chip into it and taper it down a bit so it's not a dramatic finish then, you know. But yeah, they're really nice. Nice and fluffy. They are huge though. And then the last 2 products are by Undid. I think that's how you pronounce it. Undid. First up, I got In Your Face. It's a water tint for your face. Oh yes, I got 2 of them. I got 2 of them in 2 different shades because I didn't know which one to go for. I love tinted moisturisers, CC creams, colour correcting, or BB creams, which I prefer. And I've got it in Deepest Natural Skin and Deep Natural Skin. And because I'm always wearing fake tan on and off, so I thought I would get 2 of them just to see what they like and just hope that I like them. Not every day you will see me with a face full of makeup. I do like to keep it quite natural, especially when I was on holiday, when I went to Greece recently. So it says here, shake well, then apply to cleanse skin with fingertips in a light circular motion, allow to dry. If needed, reapply more layers for additional coverage. Use after or instead of your moisturiser. Okay, so I have got here, how the heck do I know which is which? What is the difference in shade? It doesn't say. Oh yeah, on the bottom. Number 1 then. Number 1 is the lightest. Go here. Love the packaging. Love the pack. Oh heck. Oh, this is the lightest. Oh my word, this is the lightest. Oh my gosh, it's literally like fake tan. What a mistake to make! That is really, really dark. Really dark. Why did I think that this would be okay? Number 1 is the Deepest Natural Skin. Number 2 is Deep. Okay, I was getting confused. Okay, so number 1 is the darkest. Let's go for number 2 then. So possibly I would need what, a number 5, number 6, whatever. I don't think I've got loads on there now. Oh my. Oh, what a mistake. It's alright, I know who I can pass them on to. It's my own fault. Yeah, there's no way I can pass that off for my skin, even with a fake tan on. Oh my. What an idiot. What an idiot. I think because it's dried down here and it doesn't budge. It doesn't budge. So that might be a really good bronzer, a liquid bronzer for myself. I'll have to give that a go. Because yeah, I'm not going to put that all over my face. No. So there you go. So those are all the products inside my July Latest in Beauty box. Besides the last two products, I'm really chuffed with the products that I've got an eyeshadow palette, lashes, exfoliator. What else have I got? A hair mask as well, and that moisturiser, the glow-in moisturiser, which is really nice. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? I'd love to hear. I'm going to go off now and wash this off. So I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.